Hello everyone, I am Malati from the Department of Mathematics, SMS College of Engineering. Today I am going to handle one topic, that is Boolean algebra. So in this I am going to handle one important theorem, that is state and prove De Morgan's law in a distributed complementary lattice. The same question may ask in different form, that is in a Boolean algebra show that A plus B whole complement equal to A complement star B complement, or A star B whole complement equal to A complement plus B complement. So in this topic what I want to ask is, I want to do some recap with the before sessions. What is a Boolean? Zeros and ones. What is meet and what is joint?
Meet means join.
Meet means we will use the and symbol. Join means we will use or symbol. So for that, for our convenience, we are going to convert this first equation as A or B whole complement and A complement. Here we are having star no, so I am going to use the and B complement, and I am going to make this as a first equation. And the second equation is A and B whole complement equal to A complement or B complement. Now what we have to prove is, if you are taking complement, any element with the complement, if you are taking addition, we have to get 1. If you are taking any element with the complement term, if you are taking multiplication, we have to get 0. That is A and A complement is 0. A or A complement is 1. That only we have to prove here. The bounded value is here 0 and 1. The maximum value is 1 and the minimum value is 0. So 0 complement value is 1 and 1 complement value is 0. Yes. So we are going to prove this. To prove A or B and A complement and B complement, that is 1. We are having one element. For that we are taking complement. If we are taking these two, what we have to get? 0. That only we are going to prove it. So in this, what symbol we are having here? And symbol we are having. So in this bracket we are having and symbol. So we have to take this as a single element. Yes. How we do you all know the formula of distributive law? Yes, we all know the formula of associative law. What is the distributive law formula? A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. So with the help of distributive and with the help of associative, we are going to solve this. Yes. So shall we do? How we can do A or B, and how we can do A or B and A complement.
A or இது ஃபுல்லா போட்டுட்டு and போட்டுட்டு இத போட்டு இது ஃபுல்லா பண்ணனும்.
இதுதான் சிங்கிள் டேர்மா கன்சிடர் பண்ணனும்ல.
வீடியோ கட் பண்ணிடுங்க.
போயிட்டே இருக்கா?
போயிட்டே இருக்கு. எடிட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
ஓகே.
அதான் டோட்.
ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணு.
So we have to take A and A complement and B complement, or B and A complement and B complement. So we have to prove this. So by using associative law, we can change this bracket. So we can write A and A complement and B complement. Here we can write by using associative law and distributive law, we can change as A complement and B complement. So we can write here A and A complement value is what? 0. And B complement, here we are having a symbol A complement, and B and B complement value is 0. So we should know 0 and its complement value is what? 0. So we are going to get 0 here, or 0 and its complement value is 0. 0 into 0 plus 0 value is 0. So we have proved that we are getting one value. For that we are taking complement. If we are multiplying now, we are getting here 0. So we have proved the first equation. At the same way, we have to go for second one. How we can do? A and B, or we can take A complement or B complement equal to 1. We have to prove this. How we can go? This is R, so we have to take this as a singleton. So A or A complement or B complement and B or A complement or B complement. By using associative law and distributive law, how we can change here? A or A complement. Here we can change A or A complement or B complement, and here we can change B or B complement or A complement. Yes. Then how we can write? Here if you are adding complement with the any element, what you will get? 1. So 1 or B complement. Here we are having ensemble. Then again 1 or A complement equal to what we are having? 1 complement value is 0. So 0 plus 1 value is what? 1. And 1 plus 0 value is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So we have proved this second equation. Like this we can prove the Boolean algebra with the help of distributive law and associative law. Yes? How you clear with this? Yes? Like the same way we can go for A or B or A complement and B complement equal to 1, and A and B and A complement or B complement equal to 0. Anyone want to try this? Can you try it? Yeah.
We have to use distributive law.
We can write A and we can write A and
B.
Yeah.
And then B complement and A and B.
Yeah.
Now using associative law, we have interchange the values. A complement and A and B. Or interchanging the values using associative law. B complement or B or A. A complement and A complement equal to 0.
Yeah.
0 or B.
Yes.
And
B and its
B complement
is 0.
0 or A. Equal to B and B. B and
0 into anything we will get 0.
0
Or 0 into anything we will get 0. So 0 into anything we will get 0 plus 0 is 0. So in this way we have proved this Boolean algebra. Yes. So we have to do the recap. What is the Boolean value? 0 and 1. We are using here joint and meet. For joint, what symbol we are using here? And symbol. For meet we are using or symbol here we are using here. Then what are the law we are using here? Associative and distributive law we are using that, and any value with the complement addition is 1. Any value with the complement multiplication is 0. With the help of these things we have completed the Boolean De Morgan's law theorem. Yes? Have you clear with this? Yes? Shall I wind up the session? Yes. Thank you.